we are very ready here sa NFA Cebu, and piniprepare na nga po namin yung mga stocks namin, and in fact po is andito po yung ating mga classifiers from the NFA Cebu branch office to check the stocks that we will release to the LGUs for this program.
Here, ma'am, solely for Cebu province po ba itong mga bigas na andito po?
Yes, yung nakikita nyo po ng mga stocks dito sa warehouse is for Cebu province, for the Cebu provincial government na allocation po, dahil meron po tayong branch offices sa Negros Oriental and Bohol Provincial Office, so meron din naman po silang stocks.
Ma'am, so far, ilang sako na po ng bigas po ng NFA ang andito ngayon sa ating warehouse, if may figures po ba tayo?
More or less po, mga 11,000 bags po ito, and it's already allocated for the Cebu provincial government, and in fact they already given us the list of the municipalities or the LGUs na mag-withdraw para po sa programa ito.
Kailan daw po sila magsi-start, ma'am, ng pagkahakot ng mga bigas po dito, ma'am?
Actually, sir, we are waiting for the authorization or the authority from our head office so that they can start the withdrawal of the stocks. Anytime within this week, pwede na po. Ready naman po yung stocks natin dito sa bodega.
Ma'am, may naantay pa po ba tayong mga bags of NFA rice na dumating po dito sa ating warehouse?
Yes, sir, no. Thank you for that question, sir, dahil naalala ko na ang ating stocks po is this will be augmented by the rice shipments po coming from our source regions like Region 6. Meron din po tayong expected na arrivals from Region 10 and Region 4. So ito po yung mag-help na mag-build up yung ating inventory so that we can issue po stocks for this program.
Pero itong 11,000, ma'am, kukulangin pa to for, let's just say, for this week's na parang withdrawal from the LGUs, or sa tingin natin medyo sobra pa ito and maybe the augmentation can maybe support for the succeeding weeks na lang po?
Yes. Parang initial pa po ito dahil hindi naman po sabay-sabay na i-withdraw po ng LGUs ang kanilang allocation. So, in the coming days, darating yung ating stocks from the source regions and ma-accommodate din po yung allocation ng mga LGUs dito sa Cebu province. The NFA is very supportive with the program of our president. That's why nung in-announce po nila na mag-start po this week, talagang we prepared everything and hinanda po namin from the stocks, pati po yung aming personnel, dahil in case po na mag-withdraw yung ating LGUs, at least available po yung ating personnel na magmaman at saka ma-accommodate po lahat ng mga documentary requirements nila para smooth flowing po yung ating pag-i-issue ng mga stocks.